Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stovetop quesadillas, step by step. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll want to gather your favorite tortillas, about 1 cup of shredded cheese, and any pre-cooked fillings you desire. Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese are excellent choices for their melting qualities. For fillings, think about some seasoned chicken, black beans, or perhaps some nicely sautéed bell peppers and onions. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Place a non-stick pan on your stove and set the heat to medium-low. This prevents burning and ensures even melting. Once the pan is warm, lay 1 tortilla flat inside it. Then, generously sprinkle about 1/2 cup of your chosen shredded cheese over 1/2 of the tortilla. This forms the gooey foundation of your quesadilla. Keep an eye on the heat to avoid overbrowning the tortilla too quickly. With your cheese melting, it's time to add your delicious fillings. Spoon about 1/4 cup of your pre-cooked ingredients, like chicken or beans, onto the cheesy half. Remember, less is often more here to ensure your quesadilla cooks evenly and folds without breaking. As soon as the cheese starts to get bubbly and soft, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half. This creates a perfect half-moon shape, ready for the final crisping. Finally, let's get that beautiful golden brown finish. Continue cooking your folded quesadilla for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Use a spatula to gently press down, ensuring good contact with the pan for even crisping. You'll know it's ready when both sides are a lovely golden brown and the cheese is fully melted and gooey. Carefully remove it from the pan, slice it into 3 or 4 wedges, and serve immediately with your favorite salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. Enjoy your homemade quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.